So hey, what's up guys, today I will show you a Lumiterra game, a dynamic world change where the day and night cycles and pull another modes, the main town and a fully fun game. The main town and crafting, farming, landing, level up on this game. A beautiful game, so please play this game and you will get rewards in Lumiterra and get a huge airdrop from Lumiterra. So please join this and get discounts in CB2 and CBT2. So play this game and enjoy rewards and NFTs on Ronin network. And this is best game at this time on Ronin network. Okay, thank you all.